A clock is an object with a regular moment. The minutes on your clock are equal and each has 60 equal seconds. Cesium oscillates the same amount each second. Nature is full of regular incidents that are clocks, though they are less useful to us. The moon orbits Earth approximately every 28 days, but its orbits are punctual, making it a clock. Io orbits Jupiter approximately every 42 hours, but its orbit is punctual, making it a clock. The advantage of these clocks is they are large and can be seen from each other's distant location. Each clock appears to be moving slower from the other clock's location when they are separating. This manifestation suggests Einstein's special relativity. Clearly, time appears to be relative to speed. The same clocks appear to be moving more rapidly from the other clock's location when they are converging. Clearly, time appears to be relative to speed. Galileo's principle of transformation is consistent with this faster or slower variation in time between moving clocks. Einstein is silent on this faster manifestation. His silence begs for reconsideration of special relativity. Consider a cesium atomic clock on Io that is transmitting a regular pulse to Earth. Because atomic clocks are susceptible to gravity and acceleration, the pulse might be as much as 1/millionth faster or slower. This does not matter because the pulse will be regular and punctual. If Earth receives 151,300 pulses while Earth is at rest with Jupiter, then it will receive the same amount of pulses while Earth is separating, but it will take approximately 15 seconds longer on the Earth clock. This is consistent with Io appearing slower to the Earth clock and our moon. The moon would appear 4 minutes slower per 28 days as viewed from Jupiter. If Earth received 151,300 pulses while Earth is converging with Jupiter, it will take the same amount of pulses, approximately 15 seconds less, to present themselves at the Earth clock. This is consistent with Io appearing faster to our Earth clock and our moon. We can approximate that we are converging with the Jupiter clock around 66,000 miles per hour. If we factor in special relativity at 66,000 miles per hour, the predicted time dilation during separation would be 1/1,000,000th, give or take a bit. In other words, no measurable effect. When it comes to Earth converging with Jupiter, Einstein did not furnish us with a mathematical instrument that speaks to the apparent evident increase in the rate of these reference clocks. If the two clocks were separating faster than the speed of light, Einstein and Galileo would agree that both clocks would be going backwards from the other viewpoint. But let's get real. If you were looking back at a colossally bright pulsing clock and were separating from it faster than the speed of light, you would not see the bright pulsing clock. Looking forward, you would be coming up on the back end of the pulse that was ahead of you. That would not be the past. It would be a new moment of now where you and the back end of the light have never been before. You would be between the future and the past where you are now. You would be in proximity to a minuscule trickle of light from the past, which is where you are now when you look at starlight. That trickle of light does not express the incident that created the light. We can still have time travel in our imagination or in literature. Einstein should have gotten the Nobel Prize in Literature.